Stretch a long spring on the floor. Fix one end of the spring and flick the other end to produce a pulse. Observe whether the pulse moves with an increasing, decreasing, or constant speed. Tie a piece of ribbon on the spring. The ribbon represents a particle on the spring. Flick the spring to produce a continuous wave. Observe how the speed of a particle on the spring changes. Alternatively, use a transverse wave model to see more clearly the particle motion on a wave. Does the particle move with a constant speed or a varying speed?